The reflow oven makes the salt paste heated and melted to flow and infiltrate them, so that the sufficient malt component and the salt paste are combined through the salt paste. The transfer system passes the circuit with slow high temperature of reflow oven. The salt paste goes through dried, preheated, melted, moistened, and cooled to solder the component onto the circuit board. All equipment is double-checked. Top temperature zone nitrogen reflow oven with temperature control, accuracy plus or minus 1.5 degrees. The barriers can be electricity adjusted in radius and can place 50 to 490 mm radius board and use nitrogen instead of oxygen as a protective gas to create a low oxidation environment, thereby improving welding quality and reliability.
For more information, please follow FAST TURN Group PCBA to help you learn more. Thanks for your listening.